Have you ever felt like you're meant for something more? You're driven by a desire to make a difference in the world, but you're still trying to figure out how to tap into that potential. You're not alone. As an INFJ, one of the rarest and most unique personality types, you're part of a particular group of individuals who are wired to care deeply about others and to make a meaningful impact. In this video, we will explore the strengths and passions of INFJs and help you unlock your full potential. From ideal careers and hobbies to real-life success stories and practical tips, we'll dive into the world of INFJs and discover what makes them tick. So, if you're ready to learn more about yourself and how to make a difference in the world, keep watching. As an INFJ, you're part of a unique group of individuals who comprise only about 1 to 3% of the population. You're known for your empathy, intuition, creativity, and desire to help others. You're the advocates, the idealists, and the visionaries of the world. You're driven by a desire to make a positive difference in the lives of others, and you're not afraid to challenge the status quo. But being an INFJ isn't always easy. You may struggle with burnout, self-doubt, and frustration when you're unable to live up to your own high standards. You may feel like you're constantly trying to balance your desire to help others with your need for self-care and personal growth. Despite these challenges, INFJs are some of the most passionate, creative, and driven individuals. You're known for your ability to connect with others on a deep level, understand their emotions and needs, and provide guidance and support when needed most. Before we start, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our weekly deep dives into the world of personality types. And if you are looking to achieve a deeper understanding of yourself and your personality type, click the link in the comments to take our favorite free personality test. Let's start with core strengths of INFJs. So, what are the core strengths of INFJs? Let's take a closer look. Empathy. INFJs are known for their ability to understand and care deeply for others' emotions. You're naturally attuned to the feelings of those around you, and you strongly desire to help others navigate their emotional challenges. Intuition. INFJs have a solid ability to foresee outcomes and sense underlying patterns. You're naturally intuitive and often understand what will happen before it does. Creativity. INFJs are known for their creativity and imagination. You can think outside the box and develop innovative solutions to complex problems. Idealism and vision. INFJs are driven by a desire to make a positive difference in the world. You're passionate about your values and ideals, and are not afraid to stand up for what you believe in. Ideal career paths for INFJs. INFJs thrive in careers that allow them to make a meaningful impact on others' lives, while also engaging their creativity and intuition. Let's delve deeper into some ideal career paths. Psychology and counseling. This field is a natural fit for INFJs due to their empathetic nature and desire to help others. As psychologists or counselors, INFJs can use their intuitive understanding of human behavior to guide clients through emotional challenges. They excel in creating a safe, nurturing environment for clients to explore their feelings and work through issues. Specific roles might include clinical psychologist, marriage and family therapist, school counselor, addiction specialist, art therapist, writing and the arts. INFJs often have a rich inner world and a gift for creative expression. Their ability to understand and convey complex emotions makes them excellent writers and artists. INFJs can use their creativity to touch others' lives through their work in these fields. Potential careers include novelist or poet, screenwriter, journalist, especially for human interest stories, graphic designer, musician or composer, nonprofit and social work. The desire to improve the world is vital in INFJs, making nonprofit work and social services particularly appealing. In these roles, they can directly address societal issues and help those in need. Possible career paths include social worker, nonprofit executive director, grant writer, community organizer, human rights advocate. Education. INFJs often make excellent educators due to their patience, empathy, and ability to inspire others. They can use their intuition to understand students' needs and adapt their teaching methods accordingly. Potential roles in education include teacher, especially in subjects like literature, social studies, or art. Special education teacher, guidance counselor, educational consultant, curriculum developer, human resources and coaching. INFJ's ability to understand and motivate others makes them well suited for roles in HR and coaching. They can help create positive work environments and guide individuals toward personal and professional growth. Career options include human resources manager, life coach, career counselor, leadership development specialist, diversity and inclusion coordinator, healthcare professions. The caring nature of INFJs and their desire to help others make healthcare an excellent field. They can provide compassionate care while also satisfying their intellectual curiosity. Potential careers include nurse practitioner, occupational therapist, nutritionist or dietitian, hospice care worker, alternative medicine practitioner, hobbies and passions, where INFJs excel. INFJs often seek out hobbies and passions that allow for self-expression, personal growth, and making a positive impact. Let's explore these in more detail. Creative writing and journaling. INFJs often have a way with words and find solace in expressing themselves through writing. This hobby allows them to explore their inner world and process their thoughts and emotions. They might enjoy keeping a personal journal, writing short stories or poetry, participating in writing workshops or groups, creating a blog to share their thoughts and experiences, writing letters or emails to friends and loved ones. Volunteering. The desire to make a difference is vital in INFJs, making volunteering a fulfilling activity. They can use their empathy and intuition to support various causes. Volunteering opportunities might include mentoring underprivileged youth, assisting at animal shelters, participating in environmental conservation efforts, helping at local food banks or homeless shelters, offering support at crisis hotlines. Music and art. INFJs often sincerely appreciate the arts and may enjoy creating their own. These activities allow for emotional expression and can be both therapeutic and fulfilling. They might enjoy learning to play a musical instrument, singing or songwriting, painting or sketching, sculpting or pottery, digital art or graphic design, mindfulness and yoga. INFJs tend to be introspective and may find peace in practices that promote self-awareness and inner calm. These activities can help them recharge and maintain emotional balance. They might explore meditation and mindfulness practices, various styles of yoga, Tai Chi or Qigong, breathing exercises, guided visualization techniques. Photography. INFJs often have a keen eye for beauty and symbolism, making photography an appealing hobby. It allows them to capture moments and emotions, creating visual stories. They might focus on nature photography, portrait photography, street photography, macro photography, conceptual or fine art photography. Reading and book clubs. INFJs often love to read, allowing them to explore new ideas and perspectives. Joining a book club can satisfy their love of literature and their desire for meaningful connections. They might enjoy reading various genres of fiction and nonfiction, discussing books with others in a book club setting, writing book reviews or literary analysis, attending author talks or literary festivals, nature and gardening. Many INFJs find peace and inspiration in nature. Gardening or other nature-based activities can provide a sense of connection and nurturing. They might enjoy cultivating a vegetable or flower garden, indoor plant care, hiking or nature walks,
Bird watching.
landscape photography, spiritual or philosophical pursuits. INFJs often have a deep interest in understanding the meaning of life and exploring spiritual or philosophical ideas. They might engage in studying various philosophies or religions, attending retreats or workshops on spiritual growth, practicing mindfulness or meditation, engaging in philosophical discussions, exploring alternative healing practices. Success stories, real-life INFJs. So, what do real-life INFJs look like? Here are a few examples. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, is a classic example of an INFJ. Her intuitive storytelling and empathy have shaped a beloved world, touching millions of readers around the globe. Mahatma Gandhi, the social activist and leader Mahatma Gandhi, was a strong example of an INFJ. His commitment to nonviolent change and desire to make a positive difference reflects core INFJ values. Carl Jung, the psychiatrist and psychoanalyst, Carl Jung was crucial in developing the MBTI. His deep thought, intuition, and desire to understand the human mind reflect core INFJ traits. Taylor Swift, the singer-songwriter. Taylor Swift is a modern-day example of an INFJ. Her music speaks to emotions and personal stories, showcasing her creativity and empathy. How to unlock your INFJ potential? So, how can you unlock your INFJ potential? Here are a few tips. Pursue careers and hobbies that align with your core strengths. As an INFJ, you're naturally drawn to careers and hobbies that allow you to use your empathy, intuition, and creativity. Pursue these passions, and you'll be more likely to find fulfillment and success. Find work and passions that fuel your sense of purpose. INFJs are driven by a desire to make a positive difference in the world. Find work and passions that align with your values and ideals, and you'll be more likely to feel motivated and inspired. Create an environment where your empathy, intuition, and creativity can shine. As an INFJ, you're naturally attuned to the needs of others. Create an environment where you can use your empathy and intuition to help others, and where you can express your creativity and imagination. As we wrap up our exploration of the INFJ personality type, I hope you've gained valuable insights into your strengths, ideal careers, and hobbies that can help you unlock your full potential. Remember, as an INFJ, you have a unique ability to impact the world meaningfully. But before you go, I want to leave you with something special. One more secret could truly catapult your personal growth journey to the next level. Only a few top personal development experts are using this method, and it's helping them transform the lives of thousands of people every day. But here's the thing, almost no one is talking about it. In our next video, we will break down that hidden strategy step by step so you can experience massive growth. If you're curious about taking your INFJ potential to new heights, you will want to take advantage of this. Click here now to watch the following video, and let's continue this journey together. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the following video.